Hey, I'm Maggie Page. I'm a slow textile artist and I run a studio called Nade Studio. It's committed to all sustainable practices, natural dyeing, slow craft, using all natural fibers so that we're completely in accordance with Mother Earth. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick tutorial on eco-printing with fall foliage. So I went and gathered a whole bunch of stuff: goldenrod, black walnut leaves, some maple leaves. I learned this practice from one of my good friends, Monica, who runs Bricolage Press. She is a master eco-printer, so if you're interested in more eco-printing, please check her out.
Some other materials you're going to need are scissors, uncolored cotton string, copper rods, tongs that you're only going to use for natural dyeing, iron salt, your pre-mordanted fiber, and then all the foliage you're going to use in the eco-print. One large stainless steel pot, another separate pot for your iron bath, and just a reminder, please do not use any pots, wooden spoons, or tongs that you will use in your cooking in your kitchen. These need to be separate for safety purposes. And I create my iron bath, which is with water and about half a teaspoon of iron salt. So I've left this scarf in the iron bath for about 15 minutes, and you can already see the leaf prints blackening on there. Probably leave it in for another 5, and then rinse it, and then hang it to dry.
Thanks so much for joining me for this fall eco-printing tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you want more inspiration for natural dyeing or slow textiles, just follow me at Maggie_Pate or Nade Studio on Instagram. Thanks. Bye.